So I'm listening for the weather to predict the coming day. Leave all sort of expectation to the weatherman. You know it doesn't really matter what it is he has to say, 'cause tomorrows keep on blowing in from somewhere. All the people that I know in the apartments down below, busy with their starring roles in their own tragedy. Sunlight sends you on your way, and those restless thoughts that cling to yesterday. Never be afraid of change. I'm calling on the phone, I hate to leave you on your own, but I'm coming home today. And this busy inner city has got nothing much to say, and I know how much you're hanging around the letterbox. And I'm sure that as I'm writing, you'll be somewhere on your way, in the supermarket, checkout, or the restaurant. I've been doing what I'm told, I've been busy growing old, and the days are getting cold, but that's alright with me. Sunlight sends you on your way, and those restless thoughts